Hello guys, I'm going to explain how to do real life percentages. How to do real life percentages is you have to count first. So there's 10 kids in my class that have a job, or I wrote down here, 29 kids that are just in my class. So if you divide 10 divided by 29, it's going to be 0.3448275. That's a humongous number. But we're going to round from the 8. So if you round for the 4, that's going to be a 5, and then you round for 5. For that 4, it's going to be 5, but the 3 can't get rounded, so it's going to be 0.355, but we're only going to use 0.35. So if you divide that by 100 times 100, it's going to be 35. Guys, today I'm going to be explaining another real life percentages, and I'm going to be doing how many kids in our class have a comfy chair. And if you look in here, like from Sebastian to Olivia, and inside this box, it's going to have 7, and right there, and there's 29 kids in our class. So right there, if you divide that, it equals 0.24, but it's going to actually, but the real whole number is 0.2413793. If you round all of that to a different number, but use the 2 numbers after the decimal, that would be 0.24, and now times that by 100. And that would be 24%. So yeah, I'll be back one more time for one more clip. I'm back with my final examples. How you do is 3 divided by 29. If you do that, it's going to answer to 0.10. But we're only going to use the numbers after the decimal, so that would be 10, because we don't have to do any rounding because all those are behind. So then now it's 0.10, but if you times it now by 100, it's going to answer to 10%. So that would be your final answer. 10% kids in my class are not here. So see you guys.